What's good, YouTube? It's your host with the most, and I'm smooth like butter on toast. It's your boy Middi. And let me ask you a question, dear viewer. Are you someone who's either been trying to get into music or someone who's been doing music for a little bit and you realize that whenever you search on the internet or through YouTube for tutorials on pretty much anything, like you're just looking for someone to explain stuff to really just get you started? Because as a beginner, you know, there's a lot of things that you don't know yet. And of course, you're gonna need someone to actually explain things to you. But do you ever notice that whenever you try to look up beginner tutorials, that they don't freaking exist? Like, you ever notice how you'll click on a supposedly beginner tutorial and then by the end of the video, you're just like, I didn't understand a single word you just said. Like, they're just throwing in a bunch of technical terms. They're just throwing in a bunch of big words that you've never heard in your life. And you're just like, okay, you're explaining this to me as if I went to music school for 20 years. Like, what part of beginner I don't know any of this stuff do you not understand? If you have found yourself in that situation, you have found the right place, because that is exactly what I'm here for. I am a music producer with over 10 years of experience. I mainly focus on rap music, but I dibble and dabble in different genres. And the main purpose of this channel is to be a resource for purely beginners. People who are like, I literally don't know anything about anything yet. Because like you, I also was a beginner at one point, and when I was trying to learn things, because I am 100% self-taught, I've never taken any music lessons, so I basically had to teach myself everything. And trying to teach yourself everything about something starting from zero, especially when all of the resources are people who are expecting that you just already know half the stuff already, yeah, it's kind of impossible. And if not impossible, it's extremely difficult, and it's gonna take years and years and years to do. But lucky for you, I did that, so you don't have to. I am using this channel to share my knowledge in the most beginner-friendly, easy to understand, no extra fluff, no extra technical jargon way possible. So if that sounds good to you, or that sounds like something you might be interested in, subscribe and check out the channel. I have a bunch of videos already done, but I'm going to continue dropping more and more videos. If there's any specific topics that you want to know about or that you struggle with, don't hesitate to leave that in the comments below, and I will get to it when I get to it. Hopefully you stick around, hopefully you enjoy the content, and yeah. I didn't think of a way to end this video.